new just listed home, 5080 70th Avenue North, Pinellas Park, Florida, by Mohammed Majid from the Military Veterans Team. This 5-bedroom, 2-bath home on a spacious 2,235 square feet lot offers comfort and convenience. Located centrally in Pinellas Park. Inside, the interior stands out with wonderful rich woodwork on the walls and ceilings. Seamlessly connected, the kitchen is practical, with charming lighting and all the necessary appliances. The design includes a cozy master suite with wooden ceilings and walls. The other rooms are cozy, spacious, and sophisticated in style, also featuring wooden ceilings and walls. They have 2 full bathrooms in perfect condition. The outdoor lifestyle stands out thanks to its huge fenced backyard, perfect for outdoor activities. Contact us and make it yours.